Alright guys, another drone video for you today. Today I'm testing the drone around the Roman wall, which is in Silchester. So it is very windy today, so let's just see how we get on. Just want to see how stable the image is from the gimbal. And like last weekend when I went out, the wind kind of won. It was just too uncomfortable to do any kind of filming, but I managed to get a couple of shots so you can kind of see how the thing performs. But yeah, I think for the size of it, it handles the wind very well from what I've seen already. But this weekend, I think the gusts around sort of 17 miles an hour, so we'll see what happens. Let's give it a go. Okay, so it's very windy, so I'm just going to see how the drone performs.
The home point has been updated.
Satellites.
Please check it on the map.
I'll start recording now. Take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated.
See how well we do.
Please check it on the map.
Let's take it up higher. Change the mode to cinematic mode. It's a bit smoother. That's me. Alright, let's give it a quick fly in this really strong wind. It's handling quite well. That's flying with the wind behind it. Let's see what it's like when it's going against the wind. I'm going to change it from C mode to sport mode. Let's give it a go. It's not too bad. Let's go down. Handling it okay, but the drone is properly wobbling about. Yeah, I think we'll bring it in because it's very windy, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit windy for this. I know it's going to handle up to about 24 miles an hour, but yeah, it's just, I think we're about 17 miles an hour with the wind, but that's a DJI SE, I'll show you. That's the picture you get with it sort of looking.
That's amazing.
So it's got like a gimbal on it, so yeah, it's pretty cool.
You know, the way it even holds position, and even in this weather.
There's no real mess around, but you can feel how windy it is, and the gimbal makes it look like it's really stable. So yeah, if you can get one, I'd recommend it.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's a yeah, it's a DJI SE, all right.
Anyway, have fun.
See ya. Yeah, I think we'll call it a day because it's just very uncomfortable. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Unfortunately, it was so windy, couldn't really take the drone out for too long. The gusts were about 17 miles an hour. Did what I could, but I didn't really want to take it out too far because obviously these things have limits. As you can see on the camera, the gimbal actually stabilized the footage very well. So hopefully we get a summary day next time, and we're going to get some better shots, and I can probably test out the DJI SE drone a lot more. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.